Hi, this is Ranjita Datta from Kolkata, and I run an education institute that's @education.in, an after school learning center. I've been associated with this teaching background for a very long time, and my institute deals with the underprivileged children and also the children who are having the disabilities of the I won't say spastic, or I won't say mentally retarded or something, but they're a bit different, and I would love to do their counseling. I do that. I do the counseling of the parents too, and that's a part of the studies that continues with it. And apart from that, I'm also associated with these events and grooming of the models, and as a motivational speaker, I'm also associated with that. So that becomes a part of it, like एक एक करके लोग जुड़ते गए और कारवा बनता गया, and that's how right now I'm here. I came here for the show in Goa, and that was Mr. and Miss India and Mrs. India Glow, and it has been successfully done, and all the finalists and all the toppers are from Kolkata, and I'm very proud of it that Bengalis, they made us proud. That is something very great. My main work is that I want I work for the women empowerment too. So that is one more motive, that I want everybody, all the women, to feel confident, to feel, instead of elbowing each other, instead of putting each other down. I think every woman should empower each other, and that is my motto, and that is what I made a team of all girls, and I took them to Goa, and they entirely rocked the show. That was something really great, because my team was the only team from all over India that was only consisting of all girls. There were no boys at all. No, but this is a platform for the pageant. That is for Mr. and for the teaching which I'm doing. That is for the underprivileged and differently abled children. And because that I teach them in a little bit of in a psychological way. I give them a counseling. We do a lot of counseling there, and that is how they work. That is how the fees. I mean, that is you can say it's a nominal fees. That is, which is I keep it like that, because for me teaching is my passion. So I have made it a profession, but not into that extent that I'll be earning from that. That is so much, it's not my business, it's my passion. Teaching is my passion throughout and throughout. That will always remain with me, but later rest of the things that are continuing with it, I'll be a part of that, and I'll try continuing doing that. And I'm a very positive person, so I like keep motivating people, and that is the main thing what I do. Spreading positive vibes, that I must say. Doing something, agar Mumbai ne mauka diya to, of course, definitely I'm looking forward to, and I would love to do something for the Mumbai children also, especially children, especially women empowerment. And recently, of late, you all guys have been hearing the news, which is like overall the cyber media and everything has been covering up with the news. That is very pathetic regarding women. I don't know. I mean, I'm speechless. I really don't know what to say. But our industry, our India is growing, but somewhere it is also. People should be more aware of it. People should be more aware of respecting women and looking after the children, education of the children, education and respect. I think that is very important.